Well, we told you guys we were expecting some storm surge, so the National Hurricane Center, I'm going to read it word for word. Some of our graphics are not updating quite as quickly as we hoped. There is a storm surge watch that has been issued for Florida Peninsula from Jupiter Inlet southward to Boynton Beach. That includes the Florida Keys. Did you hear me? A storm surge watch. They are stating a hurricane watch has been issued for the Florida Peninsula from Jupiter Inlet southward all the way to Boynton Beach, including the Florida Keys, Lake Okeechobee, and Florida Bay. That is the one message I want you to understand. We've been talking about it. We were expecting it. A hurricane watch means that we are expecting hurricane conditions to affect South Florida in the next 48 hours. Watch turns into a warning as the storm gets closer to us. We are going to be updating those graphics in just a minute, but the whole reason we're now under this hurricane watch is because of this system, Hurricane Irma, spinning over the Atlantic. Winds at 175 miles per hour. Again, the winds went down just about 5 miles per hour, but it doesn't matter. It is a massive system. As you can see, the wind gusts at 215 miles per hour, pressure 921 millibars. It is moving to the west-northwest at 16 miles per hour, and it is making a beeline towards the Turks and Caicos, a very large, impressive system. We are going to continue to watch. The eye itself is very massive, and you can see the outer bands of the system continue to soak parts of the Dominican Republic into Puerto Rico and over the southeastern half of the Bahamas. As we take a look at the new forecast cone, not much has changed in the next 24 hours, but is the change of the path that they are expecting a possible direct landfall for us here in South Florida. Let's zoom in and show you. We are expecting that possibility of landfall. That was an old graphic of the storm surge. Hopefully we have that updated going into Sunday morning. So Saturday night, we're talking a Category 4 hurricane just between parts of the southwestern half of the Bahamas and north of Cuba with winds of 155 miles per hour. Then the system does make that north turn, but it looks as though the National Hurricane Center and the models and that high pressure and that dip in the jet stream is providing for this system to funnel into possibly making landfall over parts of southern parts of Miami-Dade and the northern portions of the Keys. If this is a direct landfall, we're talking winds of 145 miles per hour coming into our forecast by Sunday morning, and then continuing to track up the east coast of South Florida, which will continue into Fort Lauderdale and into portions of Central Florida and moving into northern Florida. Notice that they have the cone expecting the system to push offshore going into northern Florida in the days to come. So tropical storm force winds extending out from the center 185 miles. That will completely give all of South Florida and even parts of northern Florida tropical storm force winds. But it's the hurricane force winds that will be affecting all of South Florida as the system does make landfall, possibly a direct hit. This is the new model that we are watching, or the new forecast cone that we're watching. The other thing that does draw my attention to this is see how closer the sides are from one side to the next and how large the wind field is of the system. It's going to be something we're going to be talking about. Very important for you to be prepared. It's going to be a big storm. Luke?
Yeah, we are just pulling in as we speak the storm surge watch that has been issued. You can see it on the screen behind me. So it includes, I don't have the text in front of me, but you can see as we go through this together on our map, as it looks like we're dealing with pretty much all of South Florida. You've got it right here, and it includes all the way, you said, from Boynton Beach, storm surge watch in effect. There we go, Jupiter Inlet. Peninsula, all the way from Jupiter Inlet southward and around the peninsula to Bonita Beach, including the Florida Keys. A hurricane watch has been issued for the Florida Peninsula from Jupiter Inlet southward around the peninsula, and basically the same story there. To Bonita Beach, including the Florida Keys, Lake Okeechobee, and Florida Bay. We're still waiting on that exact graphic to make its updates, and we'll share that with you as soon as it does. But basically, you need to know this. If you are under the pink, you're under a storm surge watch, and pretty much all of South Florida is under a hurricane watch. So let me show you this. We'll go through our watches and see if any of these have updated for us, as we still of course have the watches and warnings all through the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos on high alert right now. They are in high danger as the storm moves its way, and also to the Dominican Republic. There it is. There's our updated watch. Let's zoom in here to South Florida, and all along that orange shade is where we have the hurricane watch in effect. So South Florida, that includes us, and of course the storm surge threat comes with it. We knew that when the storm surge watch would come out, the hurricane watch would come out, that we'd be able to give you more information on on the storm surge as far as what the National Hurricane Center is thinking, and we're going to bring that to you as soon as we get that. So let's talk a little bit more about winds again. Tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. Let's see if these have updated at all. They were at 92%. That's where they remain. And as we go through the hurricane force wind speed probabilities, still 48%. I'm wondering if these haven't updated as well. Those are the same as the last advisory. So the threat for this storm continues, and we now have that storm surge watch and of course the hurricane watch. That's the big update that we have with this 11 o'clock advisory.